Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I told myself I'll be posting more often. And anyway, this video is going to be a brief one, and I'm going to address this online casting. This video is about online casting actually. I got models who are asking me about online casting, and I feel like so that you're not scammed or you're not conned, it's much needed, but all this information is put out there. So anyway, let's jump right into the video. So online casting, is it possible to be casted online, or to be, for a modeling agency to reach out to you via anywhere, any other, all those platforms that you know, or is it possible for you to reach out to a modeling agency, to an international modeling agency? Yes, it's possible. How? You just need to know how it's done. Yes, so that you avoid so many back and forth or so many bad things from happening. Number one, if I know there are so many models, Kenyan models, who are working with international modeling agencies. How did they get it? Of course, it's through applying online. And what will they ask you to send? To apply for. How will they ask you to do it? Or rather, how is it done? Online scouting, how is it done? Go to their website. Think of any big modeling agency or international modeling agency and simply just go to their website. They have everything is listed there. Everything is there, how the castings are done. And they are very clear. There's one I was looking at after I got models asking about online casting, and everything is there. They were actually looking for plus size models, and they were so clear about it. Everything was to be done via their website. They don't have any agent to representing them anywhere, and they were so clear about it. I feel like it's because people have been conned, or they have people who are, posing as their representative or something like that for them to talk about it. Anyway, they're very clear about it. They said any application or any casting done online should be done through their main website. Everything was there on their website. And this was a big modeling agency, I think from, somewhere in Europe. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to tell you, this is what I'm trying to tell you actually. When you get such an opportunity, yes, do it the right way. Don't have, there are people who've been sending models emails, or I'm representing this modeling agency, we are looking for models, so I'm here to do casting. There's nothing like that. These big modeling agency or international modeling agencies are very clear on how they do their casting. All their castings are done via their websites. So these other agents who are posing as to be representative of those agencies, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Or let's assume maybe they have a representative. Go to their email, go to their website, send them an email address, write them an email, ask them about it. Like, there's this person, this name, so and so, who is asking for your pictures. Is he working with you guys, or is she working with you? So that you have something, my ideas are all over, because I'm trying to think, if someone was to reach out to me and tell me to send my pictures, I'll be like, okay, fine, why am I sending my pictures? What's the job? Give me the name of your company, give me the name of your website, where are you located? If you're not in Kenya, fine, can we have a Skype call? You ask all those details to avoid all these things that are happening to models. Anyway, I'm still insisting on this. Online casting, it's possible. Go to their websites. It's there. Find out, they normally ask for Polaroids. Pictures, no makeup, sometimes maybe no wigs, just, so that they get to see your features and how you look. You get, it's all there. The height, body measurements, everything is there. Don't be lied to, my dear. Like models, don't be desperate also. All this, we are in 21st century and everything is online. So you can't afford to be lied to by someone who just wants to use your pictures to market their product, or just wants to use your pictures to post them to show, I don't know what they want to show, but I'm assuming they want, oh, another thing that a model asked me, there was an online casting, then she was asked if she has an Instagram account and if she has a good following. Surely, that's so clear. If someone is asking you all that, then she or he doesn't care about your modeling or if you can model or not. All they care about is they want to know if you have a good following. Why? Why do they want to know if you have a good following? So that you can follow them back, or maybe wakudanganye, you end up, marketing their product. It's purely for marketing purposes. If you ever get such an agent asking you about your following. Okay, that one, it can also happen this way, which has nothing to do with modeling, yeah? There are brands that look for influencers, online influencers. This one, you must have like a good following, like Aziad. How she can be used as a brand influencer. Why? Because she has so many people following her and she can be used to market a product. You get? That one, they're looking for an influencer. Yes, so you have to be knowledgeable, do your research before doing anything, right? Do your research first. Make sure you've done all those. And I'm here anyways. If you're ukilemewa, just leave your comments, leave your questions in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. But generally, you can find this information anywhere, all over. It's provided, it's there. So yes, I'm gonna finish this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your questions. Modeling is a career like any other, and I'm here for you. But make sure you do your research. The internet is free. Information is all there. Make sure you do your research. Thank you and bye.